Good morning, dear students. So, let us solve the fourth worksheet of this academic year of Chapter 1 Linear Equations in Two Variable. Your first question given in the worksheet is choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following questions. First question is to draw a graph of 4x plus 5y equal to 19. You have to find out y when x equal to 1 is given. So when you will substitute the value of x at the place of x, so it will be 4 multiplied by 1, that is 4. When you will take 4 on that side, it will get subtracted. So 19 minus 4 is 15. So your expression will be 5y equal to 15. So you can divide it. 15 is divisible by 5. So your correct option is 3. For simultaneous equations in variable x and y, the value of determinant of x is given 49, determinant of y is given minus 63, determinant is given 7. What is the value of x? So you know the formula, it is determinant of x upon determinant. So that is 49 upon 7. 49 upon 7 is 7. Find the value of given determinant. In a row, it is 5, 3 minus 7, 4. You have to multiply it cross. 5 will be multiplied by minus 4, which will be minus 20. Then minus 3 will be multiplied by minus 7, so minus 21. So minus 20 minus minus 21. So your minus minus will become plus. So your number will be minus 20 plus 21. So 21 minus 20 is 1. Sign of greater number is positive. So yeah, value of the determinant will be 1. You can calculate roughly. You can solve somewhere to check the answer and you can here give a tick mark. Now second question is complete the following table. Some equations are given. We have done this equation in the introduction part. So I have given again to make you more understand when you do it by yourself. As you will see, the second equation is 3x square minus 7y equal to 13. Highest index power of the given expression is not 1, it is more than 1. So it is not a linear equation in two variables. Third one is having two variable with a real number. So yes, it is a linear equation. In a fourth one, you will see the value of a is 0. As the value of a is 0, it cannot be the linear equation in two variables. Similarly, in fifth one, the value of b is 0. So again, it is not a linear equation in two variables. It is with a single variable. You will see the variable is in denominator. As the variable is in denominator, the index power of the variable is minus 1. So it should be perfect 1. So for that reason, it is not a linear equation. Now seventh one, 4 have two variable together in the form of multiplication xy minus 5y minus 8 equal to 0. The degree of xy is 2, which is not a 1. For that reason, it is again not a linear equation. Now, coming to question number 3. Complete the following table to draw a graph of 2x minus y equal to 4. Some coordinates values are given. So let us solve the first one. First we will write the equation, which is 2x minus y equal to 4. The value of x is 0. So 2 multiplied by 0 minus y equal to 4. We have only substituted here value. 2 multiplied by 0 is 0. So it will become 0 minus y equal to 4. To find out y, we are going to take the sign on another side. So it will become y equal to minus 4. So the value of y in a first row is minus 4. Now coming to again the next coordinate where y equal to 0 is given. So 2x minus y equal to 4. It will become 2x minus 0 equal to 4. It will be 2x equal to 4. Therefore x equal to 4 upon 2. Therefore x equal to 2. Now third equation is 2x minus y equal to 4. We are going to substitute the value of x at the place of x, which is 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 minus y equal to 4. 6 minus y equal to 4. We are finding y, so y should be positive. So we'll take y on the other side and bring 4 here. So it will become y equal to 6 minus 4, which is again 2. So fourth row is already written the value of x and y. So first coordinate is 0, minus 4. Second coordinate is 2, 0. Third coordinate is 3, 2. And fourth coordinate is minus 1, minus 6. You just have to complete the given table. Now, next question, which is your question number 4, which is on the next page. Complete the following table. Two equations are given. Your first equation is 3x minus 2y equal to 3. And second equation is 2x plus y equal to 6. Now, using the Cramer's rule, find the values of determinant in the given equation. So, you know the basic determinant column have the value of a1, a2, b1, b2. a1 is 3, b1 is minus 2. Again a2 is 2 and b2 is 1. So, you know how to find out the value of determinant. You will multiply it cross. 3 ones are 3 minus 2 twos are 4. Again it have a minus, so minus minus will become plus. The answer will be 3 plus 4 equal to 7. Now, in our determinant of x, the coordinate of x will have a c1, c2. Again, you will carry the calculation by multiplying it cross. You will get 35. 3 ones are 3 minus of minus 32. 16 twos are 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. Then again here 3, 3, 2, 16. 16 threes are 48. 3 twos are 6. 48 minus 6 is 42. Now you have to fill the value. It will be 35 upon 7 dx upon d, which will be 5. 42 upon 7, which will be 6. So x comma y is equals to 5 comma 6 is the solution of given simultaneous linear equation. Now last question, your question number 5. It is 15x plus 17y equal to 21. Then 17x plus 15y equal to 11. You will see this is the equation with the interchangeable coefficient. Here we are going to add the equation, then subtract the equation to get the simplified equation. So let us start with the adding the two equation. We are going to write both equation. 32x plus 32y equals to 32. So the common divisor here is 32. Dividing above equation by 32 on both the side. So you will get x plus y equal to 1. Now after addition, we are going to carry the subtraction of equation 2 from 1, or you can do 1 from 2. Both ways you can do. So first, second, subtraction changes the sign of the equation. Plus become minus. So now it will be, as if 17 is a greater number, it will be minus 2x plus 2y equal to 10. Dividing above equation by 2. So you will get minus x plus y equal to 5. So you have received the simplified equation in the third and fourth equation form. Now in a third equation, the equation is x plus y equal to 1. And here minus x plus y equal to 5. So you will see x have a opposite sign in both the equation, which you can eliminate it and find out y by adding the equation. So let's add equation third and fourth. Here instead of fourth, fifth has been printed. It is fourth. So you will write both equation. Plus minus x will get cancelled. Y plus y, 2y equal to 6. Therefore y equal to 3. Once you get the value of y, you know what to do. You have to substitute the value of y in any of the equation and find out x. So place the value of in the equation number 3. Your equation number 3 is x plus y equal to 1. So x plus 3 equal to 1. 3 will go on that side, it will become minus x equal to 1 minus 3. Therefore x equal to minus 2. So we have got the values of both the variables. Therefore x comma y is equals to minus 2 comma 3 is the solution. So you're going to go through the video thoroughly and understand all the solution of the question properly. Whenever before you solve the worksheet, I request you all to write the names, division, roll number along with the date. As the video has been received to you today, so you are going to write the today's date on the worksheet and solve it. Thank you.